Okay, so we're going to do the clutch lever replacement. We're going to put this clutch lever in place of the original one. This is from Ride It Forever, black anodized CNC'd aluminium. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So to prepare to do this, I need to loosen this and this too. I think I need a pair of pliers so we can put this in a little bit. Give me a bit of room to do it with. Okay. Okay, so that means I can slip, as you can see, I can slip the cable out of there as well as here. So I'm going to take a 10mm socket and undo it here, undoing the socket, undoing the wrench, the bolt, the nut and the bolt. That's it, undoing the nut and the bolt. Here we go. Now I have to be very careful with this because there is a switch with a long plastic piece that I must not break. Oh, and I just dropped something. So you can see this switch here. You have to be really careful so I didn't break that. Okay, so I turn this around and pop it out. Come on, out you come. I might need a screwdriver to get that. Oh, there it is. This is the piece I dropped. This is a brass bushing. Brass bushing goes in here. And we'll just put that up there. Got a screwdriver here. Come on, out you come. Actually, I might be using the pliers. Let's get this out. There we go. Got it out. So that's removed the original one. As you can see, this is slightly bent as well because this went over onto the other side. So now I'm going to endeavor to get this in position. Oops. There we go. Got it. So now that's round the right way. Right. You can see this comes up against that. I push that in there like that. So that's the right way. Put the bushing in. And there we go. Down. Oh, and dropped it again. Put it in. I better go. Ah, fuck. I'm dropping everything. Good, I can cut all this out where I'm messing up. So that goes in there like that. Push it into the way. Damn! I've got the dropsies. Got it. You have to be so careful these days. Don't want to break the switch. I could have broken the switch quite easily. You break that switch, we're quite screwed. There we go. Clutch cable. Right, tighten that back up. Turn that way. There we go. So, need to extend this. And there we are. On 3. I think that looks quite wonderful. Yeah, there's the switch.